What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna get some work done on the Turbo Sentra. So yeah, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope all of you are doing outstanding. Like the title says, today we're gonna start working with the Sentra, and I got some time off and I'm trying to get things ready for this season. But the plan right now is to remove as much as possible on the front, and of course you guys saw already the parts that we got on the last video. I'm gonna start removing the front bumper. I don't remember how I have to remove it, but I know I got some bolts here, and for I was looking, I have more bolts that actually they go like all the way here. And here's another one, probably you guys can see it right here. And hopefully that's it. I'm gonna remove the plate. I'm gonna have to remove my velocity stack, and we're gonna start taking everything apart right now. I know we got some damage over here as I showed you last time. I need a couple spots in here that got crumbled, and we want to make sure those are good, so when we actually get the new parts, new to me, it will align as best as possible. So yeah, let me get the time lapse going and let's remove this bumper. Let's go. Alright, so this is taking longer than I was expecting because it has so many bolts. I still have to I'm gonna have to remove the headlight because it's like 30 bolts on the headlight. It will be like one of these nuts. It's a 10mm. Seems like I have maybe 2 or 3 underneath the headlight. I'm gonna have to figure out how to remove this one because this one is broken and everything is banged in the back. After that, it should be able to come out, but I don't want to hold you forever, so let's do some YouTube magic. All right, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Yeah, just like that, I just removed the bumper, and now we can see everything more clear. You guys can see how much the radiator support actually moved. You guys can see that it's actually tilted. I would say probably about 15 degrees right there. Besides that, it seems like my frame just got a little bend on this section over here. You can see it right here. I know it doesn't make justice, but we got that bend. The impact was actually on this section over here, and if we look like on this angle, you guys can see how tilted everything is. We got all this area pushed in. We can see actually how the radiator support is actually all bent as well. The brackets on the headlights are broken. This is the corner lights also broken. The clips on this headlight, which is good, they also broken. So yeah, most likely I'm gonna need a new front end, new grille, new headlights, new corner lights, even the side pieces that go underneath of the headlights. This one is the one that survived, and that clip is broken right there, and the other one is actually broken to pieces. We got this piece, we got this piece, and it's even complete, so I can't even fix it. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and order all these right now, and work on a plan to get this fixed. So yeah, let's go. Good morning, God bless you all. It's a beautiful day here. I'm actually getting some stuff done with the car. Not only that, I have a special help all the way from Puerto Rico. My dad is in town and we're going to make some moves on the car today. So yes, I'm working on the car. I'm looking forward to actually get the car kind of aligned, to put a new front end and get the car back on the road. So stay tuned for more. Alright, so we went ahead and removed the old crash bar. This one is the one that got damaged, even though the back it was all set. We got a new one, new to me. And went ahead and work on this area. We're still working on it, but it's a lot better. Almost online. So our aero support is gone. We're prepping the new one. The old ones over there. Alright, so it's a new day. I'm glad my dad is in town. So what did we do yesterday, right? This is a recap. So we went ahead, removed the crash bar. We used a putter power to actually straighten up most of the front. It's still not done, but it's almost where we're supposed to be. We went ahead and actually removed the upper radiator support bar, and we removed of the spot welds of the old one, which is right here. You guys can see this one is all bent. It's pretty messed up. So we went ahead and basically remove that one, prep the new one, put it in here. This one is not welded yet. That's why you guys can see that we have the vice grips holding all the points. And now what we're waiting on is basically we're waiting on the new fender, which was supposed to arrive yesterday and still not here. After I get that, I can actually double check how much we need to push for this area in order just to make sure everything aligns the way it should, and then we should be good to go. So what we're gonna do now, I'm getting ready to go to the shop and drive the car. We're gonna actually tack in everything in place, and the car should be back in the road very soon. Yeah, let's go. It's been like 5 months. It's been like 5 months. It's been off and it's like nothing. It's coming back. Alright, so we made it safe to the shop. Man, right now I'm just driving all motor because obviously I have everything out. You guys can see the mess. Got my intercooler over here. I got the new front end over here. You guys gonna see this in a little bit. And the car is completely apart, but you guys can see I was driving on motor, nothing. Since I am on speed density, I don't need a map, so the car drove fine. And yeah, I mean, the car is, I mean, I'm excited, man. I forgot how it feels to drive stick shift again, but it's a little sketchy because obviously I have no lights, no nothing, and they doing construction on my town, so it's police everywhere, and I don't even have the front plate. Like the front plate's actually right there on my dash. You guys can see it right there. But it's amazing to drive this car again, and now finally getting the love that it deserves. So I'm ready to get this car back on the road and have fun again. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna talk to my dad, see what's the game plan. I believe what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the hood right now to present the new one, make sure everything's aligned, because I have the new bumper over here, have the new hood over here. We're still waiting on the new fenders to get here, but we're gonna try to align everything with everything. Shout out to my dad, and that's the man right there behind everything I do. Is, you know, God first, then him. So, you know, he's the mastermind behind everything. So, you know, he's the one who actually got my engine here, the same one right here, the high compression one that's gonna go on this car one day. You know, hopefully by early next year, maybe the end of this year, I'm not sure. That's the one. The head right here, he's gonna build it for me as well. So, you know, I'm proud of my old man. So yeah, so let's continue. I'm excited, boys. Let's go. We're still trying to align the front end. Right now we're getting ready to mount the front, and yeah, that's the spoiler right there. That's one of the new headlights. And I want to show you real quick the grill that we're gonna go with. So this is the put apart where I got, and I already fell on us, so I'm actually on the process of getting a refund or replacement. Don't mind the mess. This is how a race car look most of the time, but here we have the other lights, brand new, and the grill that we went with right here. Boom. There it is. So yep, this is the front end that we're gonna go with the Sentra for now, and I'm very excited about it. So again, we're still waiting for the fenders. I don't think they're gonna arrive today, but we're trying to do what we can because my old man have to fly back home soon. So we're just grinding in a short of time. So yeah, let's get it done. Let's go. Right, so the GoPro died, but here's what we have. We were able to basically swap everything. There is the new grill. It's still not done. because we never got the new fender, so you guys can see that it's still work to do. It's not aligned 100%, but hey, should be able to drive the car home. The car is back official in the street. You shout out to my main man right there. Daddy, I love you. And yeah, that's all we got for today. It's still a long way to go, but this is exciting. Things are happening. Yep, things are happening.